Hey, welcome back to Specials Garage, and in this week's video, we're going to be doing another video on the Timberwolf, but not for a good reason. Before I get into it, I'm going to say, if you didn't check the latest community post, that I've renamed the channel from Special Tech to Specials Garage, because this is no longer a tech channel. This is going to be a small engine channel if you didn't check the channel's bio. That's all I got to say. Let's get into the video. So this is my 2015 Echo Timberwolf. If you didn't see the video about this thing a few weeks ago, well, go watch it. It's good. I tried to start this thing the other day, and this thing will not start. I don't know if it's a fuel problem or if it's a spark problem. It's not a compression problem. It's got plenty of compression. I can demonstrate not starting right now. Alright, this is the first attempt of starting it. It's got choke, it's got fuel, it's got compression. Alright, I got a cup of some premix. Let's put that down in it. I'm gonna see if it's a fuel problem. I did not use start fluid, I got premix, so it's got oil and stuff. Hey! I think we got a fuel problem. Let me try adjusting the carburetor and see. Alright, I put some more fuel in the carburetor and also turned the fuel up. Maybe it's a fuel problem. About ran away there. Try giving a wide open throttle. I think we may have a bad carburetor. Well, as we can see from the clips, this thing did not start. If it started, it started and died. So I think we got a fuel problem. So we're gonna go get a new carburetor, and the next clip will be me with the new carburetor. So I'll probably see y'all in a few days. Maybe for you it'll be a few seconds, but for me it'll be a few days. Well, it's been a few days since the last clip, and finally the new carburetor came in. But I want to show y'all something before I go ahead and put the carb on. You notice when I took the old carb off, there was no intake gasket. The old carb disappeared. I don't know where it went. But yeah, the old gasket, well, it didn't have one. It disappeared. I think because this thing already had a new carburetor on when I got it, and I guess whoever put it on never put the intake gasket on. That's probably why it was running like crap. So, let's go ahead and put this on together while we're here. So, let's go hook the throttle linkage up. Let me move the camera so you can actually see what's going on. So when you hook the throttle, sorry if the camera's not focusing. So yeah, good. Throttle's on. Hook the choke. We got this big chunky piece of plastic. Zoom out. So hook this chunk of plastic into this chunk of plastic. And now we got this chunk of plastic back onto this chunk of plastic. Now we need to connect the fuel line. This goes to this port right here, this little black one. Hook that on. And now that's on when you connect the vent. I think it's supposed to be like this, something like that. Hook the vent onto here. And this is what we was missing. We didn't have one of these, so let's go ahead and put one on. So we need to put one on for here. There's supposed to be one here too, I think. So slide the two carb bolts in. And by the way, this is not a tutorial. This is just me trying to fix my own stuff, and I want to document it and put it on YouTube. That's all this is. If you see something I did wrong, feel free to comment below. I can always use your help. Alright, now I got this on, and I'm going to skip till we get this thing all back together, because putting this back on while filming it will be an absolute nightmare. Well, finally the new carb's on the chainsaw, and we're going to go outside and see if it runs. So, let's take you all there. Alright, this will be the start and run of the Timberwolf with the new carburetor. That's on. That was easy. Well, that was a really easy fix, to be honest. Just threw the new carburetor on. It didn't need tuning or nothing. So I hope y'all like this little repair. This is the first repair of the channel, by the way. Hope y'all like the video, like and subscribe, and